Welcome to Fluent by Story. In this video you will hear a simple and powerful story called Don't Waste Your Time. This story will help you improve your English listening and speaking. It is written in easy English so you can understand every word. You will also feel motivated to use your time better. Many people want to learn English but they wait too long. This story will show you why it's important to start now. So get ready. Sit back, listen carefully, and speak along if you can. Let's begin the story of Kevin Tom. There was once a young man named Kevin Tom who lived in a small, peaceful town. Every day, Kevin Tom followed the same routine. He would wake up early in the morning, eat breakfast quickly, and go to work at a small grocery shop near his house. His job was not very difficult, but it was the same every day. He arranged items on the shelves, helped customers, cleaned the shop, and counted money at the end of the day. After work, he went home, ate dinner, and then spent hours watching videos on his phone. Kevin Tom had many dreams in his heart. He wanted to speak English fluently, get a better job, travel to other countries, and live a better life. But day after day, month after month, he did nothing to reach his dreams. He always said to himself, "Tomorrow I will start," but when tomorrow came, he found an excuse. Sometimes he said he was too tired. Sometimes he said he didn't have time. Sometimes he said he would start on Monday or next week or next month. He watched motivational videos and felt excited for 5 minutes, but after that he went back to his old habits. He followed people on social media who spoke English fluently, who lived their dream lives, and who shared their success stories. Kevin Tom wanted to be like them, but he never took action. Instead, he wasted hours scrolling, watching, liking, and dreaming. Deep inside, he knew he was wasting his time, but he didn't stop. One day, Kevin Tom's old school friend Samir came to visit him. They sat together at a tea stall and talked about life. Kevin Tom asked, "Where are you working now?" Samir smiled and said, "I work online with people from the United States. I help them with customer support. I speak English every day." Kevin Tom was surprised and asked, "How did you learn English so well?" Samir replied, "I used my free time to study. I listened to English podcasts, watched simple English videos, practiced speaking out loud, and wrote in English every day. I made a routine. Just 30 minutes every morning before work. I did this for 6 months and now I'm confident. I make good money and I work from home." Kevin Tom felt a deep sadness in his heart. He looked down and said, "I wanted to do the same, but I just never started." Samir looked at him kindly and said, "You still can. But you have to stop wasting your time. Time is like water in your hand. If you don't use it, it disappears. You can't get it back." That night, Kevin Tom couldn't sleep. He kept thinking about Samir's words. He remembered all the days he had wasted, all the excuses, all the time he spent doing nothing useful. The next morning, he woke up and felt something different. He opened a notebook and wrote in big letters, "Today I will start. I will not waste my time." He turned off all notifications on his phone. He deleted apps that wasted his time. He set a timer for 15 minutes and opened a simple English-speaking video. He watched and repeated every sentence. He practiced speaking in the mirror. He listened to the same video again. His voice was shaky at first. He felt a little shy even when alone. But he didn't stop. He told himself, "It's okay to feel shy. It's okay to make mistakes, but it's not okay to waste more time. The next day he did the same. Then the next. 1 week passed. Then 2. After 1 month he could feel the change. He understood more English. He could speak simple sentences. His fear started to fade. He started enjoying the process. He made a habit. In the morning before work he practiced English. During lunch he listened to English audio. In the evening he spoke with himself for 10 minutes. He kept a journal in English. He wrote 1 sentence a day. Then 2. Then a whole paragraph. Some days were hard. Some days he didn't feel motivated. But he remembered his friend's words. Time is like water. Use it or lose it. One evening while working at the shop, a foreign customer came in and asked, "Do you sell bottled water?" Kevin Tom was nervous, but he answered, "Yes, here it is." The customer smiled and said, "Your English is good." Kevin Tom felt a spark in his heart. A small sentence, but it gave him confidence. Later that week, his boss asked him, "Can you speak with foreign customers? We get more of them now." Kevin Tom smiled and said, "Yes, I can try." Day by day he improved more. One day he found an online part-time job that needed basic English skills. He applied. He got selected. Now he worked at the shop and also earned money online. He didn't become rich, but he felt proud. He didn't become perfect, but he became better. His old habits were gone. Now he spent his time learning, growing, and building a future. One evening, he opened his notebook and saw the words he had written. "Today I will start. I will not waste my time." He smiled. That one decision had changed everything. He now knew the truth: time is not the problem. We all have the same 24 hours. The problem is how we use it. Wasting time brings regret. Using time brings results. And you don't need to do big things. Just small daily steps. Just 15 minutes of practice. Just 1 video. Just 1 page. Just 1 conversation. That's enough to change your future. Kevin Tom's story is a reminder to all of us. Dreams do not work unless you do. Goals do not grow without effort. And success does not come to those who wait. It comes to those who work. So if you have a dream, don't wait. If you want to speak English, don't delay. Start today. Start small. But start. Turn off distractions. Pick up a notebook. Play a simple video. Speak the first word. Speak it again. Speak it louder. Make a routine. Use your time. Protect your time. Love your time. Because your time is your life. Don't waste your time watching others live their dreams. Use your time to build your own. Don't scroll all day and call it rest. Don't say later and let life pass you by. If you want to change your life, change how you spend your time. If you want to become better, then do better things with your hours. The clock is always ticking, but your future is still waiting. You have the power to begin again, just like Kevin Tom. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. You don't need to be fast. You just need to be focused. You don't need to study all day. You just need to study every day. You don't need fancy apps. You just need to use your voice. You don't need big goals. You just need small steps. Speak a little every morning. Repeat after videos. Talk to yourself. Use what you know. Add 1 new word each day. That is how progress happens. That is how English becomes part of your life. And that is how you stop wasting time. Because in the end, the biggest regret is not failure. The biggest regret is wasting time. So make a promise to yourself, just like Kevin Tom did. Say it now. Today I will start. I will not waste my time. Say it every day. Write it on your wall. Make it your mission. Live it, speak it, repeat it. Your time is now. Use it well. Thank you for listening to the story of Kevin Tom. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Remember, your time is very important. If you use your time wisely, you can learn English, reach your goals, and change your life. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Repeat this story again and again to practice your English. And don't forget, you are not alone. Fluent by Story is here to help you every step of the way. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English stories and speaking practice. Keep learning. Keep growing. And most of all, don't waste your time. See you in the next video.